What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. This is a platform I use to share personal development and also to show you different ways on how to make money online. And in today's lesson, I will be diving into how to keep focus in 6 steps. So let's go ahead and get into this lesson today. Alright, for step 1, turn off your phone. Okay, this is how you can keep focus, because I know, like, for me, when I'm trying to focus on something, but I always pick up my phone because it's like, oh shoot, I need to do this, oh I need to do that, I need to look at this, and then I'll get into this little vortex, I would say, where I get lost, and then I'm on social media, then I'm looking at this, and then I'm like, oh, let me check this, oh, let me look at that. So it's good to turn off your phone or put it on airplane mode, or just put it like across the room. If you are a person who does not like to get up once you sit down, just put it across the room and focus on what it is you're trying to do. Okay. Number 2, work in 60 to 90 minute blocks. This helps out a lot. I do this. I'll work for like 60 to an hour and a half straight, and then after that I will take, I'll take some time off and relax, get some water, do whatever. That's what I like to do. So working 60 to 90 minute blocks. Number 3, eat healthy. This part right here, I know, like, all this food that's out here, it tastes so good. You know what I'm saying? Like, this food out here tastes great. Like, it tastes great. Like, Doritos taste great to me. I'm just using that as an example. Other stuff tastes great, but sometimes it's not healthy. It's not good to just sit here and just eat that stuff. And I learned, in order to keep focused, stay focused, you need to eat healthy foods. And that's green vegetables. I'm not a health guru here, but everybody knows that. I would assume everybody knows that you eat healthy, you'll feel better and your brain will work properly. Okay. Number 4, take breaks. Like I was saying in step number 2, 60 to 90 minute increments is good to work in, but then after that, take some breaks. Take some time to breathe. Maybe now you can go get your phone and look at it or whatever. But, between those 60 to 90 minutes, you're staying focused on what it is you do. And after that, take breaks, do whatever you need to do. Use the bathroom, drink, do whatever. Number 5, target clear goals and work towards them. I have a video where it's talking about goals, and that is very important. I highly suggest you look into that. Target your clear goals and work towards them. That's how you can keep focused. Look at your goals every single day, your short term and your long term goals, and work towards them. That's how you can be focused on your dreams and everything else in between. And number 6, turn off distractions. This can link up with number 1, where it was like, turn off your phone, turn off distractions. Even though your phone might be off, you might have your TV on or your radio on or some music playing in the background, and sometimes that can distract you. And if you know that those things distract you, then turn them off. Now, if it's not distracting you, of course, don't turn it off. But here are some 6 tips that you can use that has helped me out, and hopefully they can help you out. And of course, if you're looking to start business, I do have a link below. I'm always about business around here. If you're new to my channel, definitely look into that free 15-day business plan that I would highly suggest you look into. It's free. And yeah, thanks for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Down below in the comments, type in value or what you found valuable within this video or other videos, or any other topics you would like for me to talk about. I definitely like to be a little bit more interactive with the people who are watching my videos, and I really do appreciate your time. And this is Eric Gill Jr. signing off, and hope to see you on the other side. Peace.